guys, and welcome to another video. I'm Kayla.
And I'm Segan.
And together we are
Becoming KS already.
Guys, today we're going to do a video where we order what the person in front of us ordered. So we're currently parked at Burger King. So let's get it.
But before we go, guys, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe.
You want...
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Alright, man. Can I please order whatever that guy in front just ordered now?
You want the extra long chili cheese?
Whatever he ordered.
Whatever he ordered is fine.
One or for two?
No, whatever he ordered.
Okay.
Exactly the same.
Exactly what he ordered is fine.
You want the same order?
Exactly.
Same.
Alright, so it's gonna be 780.
Alright, thank you, Chief.
Thank you.
So as you can see, guys, we just ordered the guy, whatever this guy in front ordered. He's driving a nice car too, man.
He's driving a GTI.
Driving a GTI, my dream car.
So we'll see what we get. Okay, we already know what we're gonna get. But
I didn't hear what he said. What did he say?
I think chili cheese.
Chili cheese fries.
Yeah.
And it's only one burger, babe.
So we're gonna have to share that because it's supper.
Well, that's our supper, guys, unfortunately.
So guys, we got our food. It was a large chili cheese and one loaded fries. So yeah. So it's a mini mukbang. That's how you say it. Or how you said?
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Okay.
So yeah. There we go. Extra. Excusing.
To be honest, I'm actually quite hungry now.
Now that I'm smelling the food, I'm hungry.
Before we
Here
went
we go.
hungry.
Looks yummy.
Ooh. This is the chips, guys. It's got jalapenos with some cheese.
This is so nice.
The chips are nice, guys. Make sure you come to Burger King and get the... What's it, babe?
Chili cheese.
Wait, what's the
And
chips?
loaded fries.
Loaded fries. Guys, loaded fries. It's yummy.
Today is tasting extra nice.
I think because it was spontaneous. Normally when you wish for food, it doesn't normally come out the way you want it.
Here's a lemon.
And what?
And the burger.
Hmm?
And the burger. The burger is the bomb. And they put lots of gherkins. Lots of gherkins. I don't like gherkins that much.
Anyways, guys, that's our challenge. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the thumbs up and stay tuned for the next. Bye.
Bye.